Dear student, good morning all. Today I am teaching you the next topic under the title of the poem. Under the title of the kite. What is the title of the poem? The title of the poem is The Kite. And I am giving you introduction poem The Kite. I am giving you the introduction about the poem The Kite. About the poem The Kite. You all have book and you will count all these lines given in your textbook. After counting, you will get there are 24 lines. There are 24 lines in the poem The Kite. In the poem The Kite. Okay, student? The kite is a 24 lines. Kite is 24 lines poem. And this 24 lines of poem, The Kite, is a lyric. What is this? This is a lyric. Okay, student? Second point. This poem is composed by Harry Vane. Means the poem under the title The Kite has been composed by Harry Vane. Composed by Harry Vane. Means this poem is composed by Harry Vane. Who has composed this poem under the title The Kite? Who has? Can you tell me, student, now? Because I declared already. The name of the title of the poem is The Kite. And the poem Kite is written or composed by Harry Vane. And the kite has 24 lines. Means the poem The Kite is a 24 lines poem, and this poem is a lyric. What is this? This poem is a lyric. In this poem, the poet explains about the flying of a new kite in the sky. Poem means a kind of imagination. A kind of imagination. So, in this poem, the poet imagines about a new kite. Imagines about a new kite. New kite looks very bright and beautiful. New kite looks very beautiful and also looks very bright. In this poem, the poet explained about the flying of a new kite in the sky. The poet imagines about the flying of new kite. About the flying of new kites. And also imagines what will happen if we will fly a new kite. A new kite. The poet compares the kite with various things to explain its beauty and motion. Now, in the next, poet imagines about the beauty and motion of the kite. In the next point, poet thinks about a new kite and its motion and a beauty of the kite. In which condition new kite remains constant in the flying position, and in which condition or in which moment it comes down on the towards the earth. Now he is imagining about the kite. Its flight in the sky depends on the wind. Its flight in the sky depends on the wind. Means if the wind blows, then the kite goes higher. Means goes up. If there is not wind, it comes down towards the earth. Next point, it flies high only when the wind blows. Means if the wind blows, then it goes higher. Means it goes up and then more up. Okay, student? It flies higher only when the wind blows. Means if the wind blows, then it goes up. When it gets tangled in the branches of tree, it loses its shine and beauty. Means in this point the poet wants to declare what will happen if the kite tangled to the branches of the tree. Branches of a tree. Okay, student? You know that? What will happen? The kite will destroy its motion as well as its beauty. Both conditions. The poem is written in the form of couplet. Means the poem is written in the form of couplets. Means by taking two lines. So it is in the form of couplet. Couplet means 2 lines. Poem. 2 lines each. Means this poem is divided into two lines. Okay, student? The poem is written in the form of couplet means 2 lines. Okay, student? Thanks. I teach you about the introduction of the poem The Kite in this video, and I hope you have got all the knowledge of this poem. Thanks. Now, student, I am going to the poem under the title The Kite. Okay, student? And now I am reading 1 to 6 lines. Means line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Listen carefully. Lines 1 to 6. Lines 1 to 6. How bright on the blue. How bright on the blue. It's a kite when it's new. It's a kite when it's new. How bright on the blue. It's a kite. It's a kite when it's new. With a deep and a deep. It snaps its tail. It snaps its tail. Then soars like a ship with only a sail. Again, once again, I am reading 1 to 6 line of the poem The Kite. First line, how bright on the blue. Means, in this line, the poet imagines about flying a newly kite, and also imagines if he flies a kite and it goes up higher in the sky, in the blue sky. It is a new kite, so it is very beautiful. Okay, it is very beautiful and bright. Okay, student, how bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. Means the poet imagines about a newly kite, and now he also imagines if the kite is in the blue sky, it looks very beautiful. It looks very beautiful and bright because the kite is new. Okay, student. With a deep and a deep, it snaps its tail. Means when it goes up, and up into the blue sky, its tail applies a force to go up and up again and again in the air towards the blue sky. Then soars like a ship with only a sail. Means when wind blows and the kite goes up and up towards the sky, it also makes a noise, just like a noise produces a boat on the bank, on the shores of a sea. To the boat. Means at the shore of the ship. At the shore, then the shores like a ship with only a sail. Means when boats sail in the water or in the sea or anywhere there is water, it produces a sound. It produces sound. Same way, when kite flies up in the sky in the presence of wind, it also makes a noise. So, poet compares noise produced by the kite in the blue sky to the noise produced by the boats in the ship. Okay, student? Now, look here. Explanation. I have written explanation and the side of the blackboard. You can take help. You can take help of the explanation to explain these lines. Once again or again and again if you are forgetting. A kite looks bright on a clear sky. Means when poet imagines about to fly a kite in the blue sky, then the kite looks very beautiful and bright in the clear sky. In the clear sky. When it flies for the first time, means when the kite is new. When the kite is new and flies up in the sky in the presence of the wind. It moves with softness and force together at the same time to fly. Make its tail to create a cracking sound in the air. Means when the kite comes in the situation of flying, in the situation of flying with the help of wind, it creates a sound. It creates a sound. Okay, student? It creates a sound, a cracking sound in the air. And with cracking sound in the air, the kite goes up in the sky, goes higher up. Its single thread in the air and silk clouds on its side. Means the kite is connected with a thread, and this thread is compared to the boat. Means kite binds with thread. Okay, student? So, once again, the kite looks bright on a clear sky when it flies for the first time. When it flies for the first time. Means when a kite flies first time, it is new and looks very bright and beautiful. It moves with the softness. Means it flies softness. It flies softness or without making a noise. And force together at the same time to fly. Means with the help of wind. Means the force of flying can be got by the air. Means air supports to fly the kite in the blue sky or in the clear sky. And force together at the same time to fly makes its tail to create a cracking sound in the air. The kite flows higher on its single thread in the air as the ship floats on its side. Okay, student. Now I think you have completely understand this poem.